Okay, Google, I see what you're doing and what you just did with the Pixel 4a, and I must say, I like it. Finally, after seeing so much in terms of pushback on announcement dates of the Pixel 4a, it's finally official, and I must say I do like the device. Now, I'll try my best to bring my thoughts on the device from a UK perspective, but also for the USA as well, because I do feel it feels a good spot there especially. Now, straight out the gate, even with how well priced it is at 349 UK pounds and 349 US dollars, it's under some stiff competition, and really it's tough, especially in this Android space and even in the space at all. You have phones like the Realme X55G in the UK for $299, the OnePlus Nord that just got announced and is now officially on sale for $379, and then there's the iPhone SE, which ranges from around $399 to $419. So looking at that alone from a pure value point of view, it's not looking that great. Now, considering it does have a Snapdragon 730G, 6GB of RAM, which is actually kind of good, 128GB of storage, a single front and rear facing camera versus the multiple from some of the competition that is going against, and a very small 3140 mAh battery, and no 5G. Yeah, you get the idea, and it's starting to look like it started on the wrong foot, especially since it's joined the party late. So yes, potentially looking at it, you might have phones like the OnePlus Nord and the iPhone SE that are a better value purchase in a sense. But you know what? This is what I think. I personally think the Pixel 4a still has its place in this very tough arena that is competing in. Firstly, it's the form factor versus the other Android competition, especially at the display and the form factor size of 5.81 inches. I think this is genius that they went for this form factor rather than the over 6 inches that they've done previously or what the competition is doing. Honestly, there just isn't enough phones of this size to recommend to have at this level of performance, apart from maybe the Samsung Galaxy A series. But then even in saying that, with the Galaxy A series being there, this is the complete Pixel experience that you're getting, from software experience and definitely down to support. Honestly, for Android and next to Oxygen OS, this will be the most inviting and the most well supported Android phone on a budget for at least easily for 2 to 3 years. Still not on the level of the iPhone SE, which I kid you not is going to break no sweat doing 5 years of updates, but this is still impressive to have at this level and at this price point. Honestly, for Android, next to Oxygen OS, this will be the most inviting and well supported budget Android phone for easily the next 2 to 3 years. Still not on the level of the iPhone SE when it comes to software updates and support, which is going to break no sweat doing 5 years of updates and support easily. But regardless, this is still impressive to have this level of support and software experience at this price point. Now, fine, there isn't any special display features like 90Hz or 120Hz that you'll find on the OnePlus Nord or the Realme X55G. But visually, in my personal opinion, this is the best display design on any Pixel phone made. But visually looking at it, in my personal opinion, this is by far the best design display that you're going to see on a Pixel phone ever made. If you look at it, you do have a borderless and a bezel-less design. You have a single hole punch with the camera on the far left, and this is my preferred position rather than dead in the center or to the right. And on top of that, it's an AMOLED display. What's great about it, again, like I said, the form factor is nearly enough the same size as the iPhone SE, but the advantage is you're getting near enough all screen. So you know that when it comes to the one-handed experience, it's going to be fantastic. And that's something that is lacking sometimes when it comes to these price points and the experience and the performance and the software that you're getting in this small, nice device. I won't go deep into my experience of the phone as I don't have it, but I do recommend that you go check out my man Scott Peachey from Technically Speaking in the USA, as check this. My guys had the Pixel 4a for 2 months before dropping his review. So worth checking out if you want the real lowdown in terms of how the Pixel 4a is. And speaking of the USA, with phones like the OnePlus Nord not being available in the USA, this is where I feel next to the iPhone SE, for the Android users at this price point and this budget and this form factor, the Pixel 4a has a good chance of being in a strong position for a good alternative choice. Why? The camera experience for photography, and come on man, guys, we know this. Google honestly know how to make taking a photo in a simple point and shoot way on the camera easy, painless, and with some of the best out of camera results that you can get in a smartphone. Yes, you may not have the camera flexibility and the flex of others with their multiple cameras with different focal lengths and zooms and their 2 megapixel macros if we really need that, but it basically has everything you need and none of the gimmicks. That's the appealing part of the Pixel 4a, amongst other things. I really think for these reasons that the Pixel 4a definitely has a shot to win some decent market share in this mid-range arena. That's not going to be saying that it's going to be easy. It's going to be tough for the Google Pixel 4a, but I honestly like what the Pixel 4a has to offer, and it's an easier recommend based on a brand that is Google, the price point, and someone that just wants a straightforward phone. So guys, let me know your thoughts on the Pixel 4a. This is probably one of the first Pixel phones I've not been so critical of, and I kind of understand it for how they've positioned it. So I'm eager to see once it comes out how the results would be and how people will pick it over. So yeah, that's about it, man. Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy content like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos that is posted on the Lover of Tech channel. I hope you guys are well during this time. I hope you guys are safe. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.